Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, so far we have already discussed the alkane and alkyne nomenclature. Today we will start the nomenclature of the alkyne. Alkyne means that is triple bond. The first rule is select the chain which contain the triple bond. Numbering should be started from that side to which the triple bond attain the minimum position. Write the name of alkyl radical with their position and then parent name. These are the same rules as alkene and alkene. When two identical radicals are attached, use die before alkyl radical with radical name with their position. Write the name of alkyl radical in alphabetical order, that is ethyl first and then ethyl. Separate the position of alkyl radical by comma and hyphen is used to attach the position with radical name. Write the position of the triple bond with parent name. If two triple bonds are present, use die before by NA with their position. Try for 3, that is a triple bond. So in this case, we must write that is a triple bond. And then rule number 9. When double and triple bonds come at the same position, then numbering should be started from double bond. Parent name with double bond and triple bond is represented by YNE with their position. If triple and come first, then preference will be given to the triple bond in numbering. If double bond come first, then triple, so preference is given to the double bond in the numbering. So these are the rules and we will apply one by one on the different compounds. For example, Bismillah. For example, in this case, CH triple bond C, CH2, this is the CH3, this is the CH3, and this is the hydrogen. So this is the compound which contains the triple bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We make the longest chain in this way, for example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The longest chain is this one. So in this case, the triple bond come at the first position from left side and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from the right side. So according to the rule, we must start from the lower number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6. You know this is the methyl group. Methyl come on the fourth position. So this is the 4 methyl and the triple bond come on the first position. So this is the 1 hyphen. 6 means that is the hexyne YNE. This YNE represent the triple bond. ENE represent the double bond. ANE represent the single bond. So in this case, the triple bond come on the first position. So this is called the 1 hexyne. Another example. This is another compound you can see. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the longest chain. So we can say that this is the longest chain. Now in this case you can see this is the ethyl group. This is the methyl group. Since the triple bond come 1, 2, second position in this from the right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the preference will be given to the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 7. So according to the rules, alphabetically ethyl come first. The fifth position, that is the 5 ethyl, and this is the 5 methyl, You should represent separate position of each. 5 methyl, 5 ethyl. So in this case, the triple bond come at the second position. So this is the 2. 7 means that is the hept. So this is the heptine. This second represents the position of the triple bond. Now consider the another example. CH, CH2, CH3, CH2, CH3, C, C. This is the CH3. Now in this case, the longest chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the longest chain. So select longest chain. Now this is the triple position, triple bond position. 1, 2. From left side it is the first. So we can say that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So in this case, this is the ethyl and this is the methyl. So according to the rule, you should write the position of this ethyl. That is, it come at the 4th position. So 4 ethyl, methyl on the same position, 4 methyl, and then triple bond at the first position, -1, comma, then the triple bond at the 5th position. 1 represent the first position of the triple bond. This is the 5th position of the triple bond. And in this case, we can say, basically in this case, that is the 1,5 hept di-YNE. That is 4 ethyl, 4 methyl, 1,5 hepta. Hepta represent the 7 parent chain. Di mean 2 triple bond. YNE represent the triple, that is alkyne family. So this is the name of the alkyne family. Now another example. For example, CH3, C, double bond, CH2. Now CH3, C, triple bond, C, CH3. Now in this case, we have the double and the triple bond. Now we have the double and the triple bond. How to write the name according to the rule, that is rule number. You can see that is 9 double and triple bond. This is the rule when double and triple bond attain the same position. For example, 1, 2. This is the 1, 2. So the triple bond come on the same position. So the preference will be given to the double. The first one, longest chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is the longest chain. So the preference will be given to the double bond. So in this case, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is the 8. The name will be along with the double bond. And this is the methyl group. So the methyl come on the second position. So write 2 methyl and then the position of this double bond. That is the 2. The total number 8. So in this case, 8 means oct. That is octene. Now since the double and the triple bonds are present, so E of alkene is replaced. So we can say that the 2 octene and then the position of 6 triple bond, 6 YNE. This YNE represents the triple bond. So the name of this compound is 2-methyl 2-octane 6-ine. Because in this case the triple and the double bonds are present, so we must replace E in this case. So the name is 2-octane and the 6-ine. 6-ine represent the triple bond present at the 6th position. This is the name of the alkyne and alkene. And if, for example, we have the double and the triple bond both at the different positions, then what happens? We must prefer the double bond if it will come first, and the triple bond if it will come first. For example, in this case, consider the example CH2 double bond CH2 C, that is a triple bond CH2, and this is a CH. You can see in this case, this is the CH3. Now, the longest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the longest chain. Now you can see that is numbering. The triple bond come at the first position, whereas the double bond on the second position, 1, 2. So the preference will be given to the triple. So in this case, it is the 1, 2, 3. This is the 4, 5, and 6. This is the methyl group. So according to the rule, methyl come on the fourth position. So this is the 4-methyl. And the double bond parent chain at the, for example, fourth position. We may write as 4, 6 mean hex. Hexene, not hexene, E-N-E. We must write hexene. The position of the triple bond is first. So the Y-N-E. So in this case, you can see that is the numbering must be started from the triple bond because it comes first. And the double bond, if we consider from the right side, 1, 2. So 2 is wrong according to the rule number 10. So first, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then in this case, the parent name with the alkene. First of all, that is the alkene, and then Y-N-E. Not before this, we must write as a hexyne. It is wrong. Another example. For example, CH2 double bond C, CH2, CH3, CH2, and this is the C, triple bond C, CH2, CH3. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we consider this long chain, it is wrong. Why? Because the double bond will move outside the parent chain. So we must start from this side because double bond should be within the parent chain. So in this case, although it is not the longest chain, but we must start, that is from this side because it comes to the first and the triple bond come on the third position, 1, 2, 3. So we can say that it is the first position. This is the second position, third, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And now you can see this is the ethyl radical. Ethyl come on the second position. So we can say that the 2 ethyl, the position of the double bond, that is first. 7 means that is hep. So the heptane and the triple bond at the 4. So the 4 Y-N-E. So students, you can see that is all these are the examples which are used to elaborate all these rules. So you should do struggle because all these three families basically it is the ABC of the organic compound. If you understand how to use such rule, we will be able to give the name of the other compounds. Students, if you feel any problem, you may ask on WhatsApp or voice message. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.